Welcome to another tutorial that I'm excited to share with you. Today, I'm exploring Spotify Behind the Lyrics feature, which adds all new layers of depth to the music you love. To get started, open the Spotify app and choose a song that has Behind the Lyrics feature available. Here we go. Next, tap on Now Playing bar at the bottom of the screen. Scroll down a bit until you come across Behind the Lyrics section. Here where the magic happens. You can now dive into interesting details that help you understand the song better. If you prefer using a Spotify web platform, follow these steps to access Behind the Lyrics feature. Play a song on Spotify website that supports Behind the Lyrics. Look for the unique Behind the Lyrics button, often looks like a microphone icon. It's usually at the bottom of Spotify interface. Just give it a click. Engage the annotations that give you deeper insights into song's meaning. The job done. Thank you very much for watching this video. Remember to like, subscribe and click the notification bell for more awesome tutorials. Until next time, keep the music playing.